She.
What is your name?
She.
Destiny?
Nancy.
How old are you?
Dos.
Dos?
Am I dos?
Yeah. Who am I?
Dos.
No, am I mommy or daddy?
Daddy dos.
Where's daddy right now?
Daddy dos.
No, where's daddy at?
Daddy dos.
Daddy's at work? Where's grandma? Grandma's taking a shower? What is that, your passy? Ew, I thought we said it was yucky, remember? Is it still yucky? Are you being a brat? Yeah. Fine.